Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can show your name on your Vivo phone lock screen. So if you want to customize your lock screen, you can just follow the settings. Go to this tutorial, go to settings, and now, sorry, let's go back first. Under the settings, just go to the lock screen and wallpaper options. Next, tap on this lock screen settings. Okay, so to customize your lock screen, just tap on this. So by using this, you can customize the clock and date style, and so add quick informations and shortcut entrance. So let's click on this, and this is the preview of my lock screen. And if you want to add your name or show your name in the lock screen, you can just use this quick information. So just tap on the quick information, and in here you can just click on the signature. Click on this to edit it, this edit button, and now you can just add text on your lock screen. So I'm going to just write, for example, my name. Okay. Like this. You can also add your full name if you want to, but I'm going to just leave my first name and then click on OK. So now your names will be shown in the lock screen. So you can just click on apply, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.